Hey, what's up, guys? NASJAQ here. Today I wanted to talk about the Tesla cash raise and how I played it in options. So recently Tesla raised 2.7 billion. It was originally a little less, but then a day later, they raised the price. So 2.7 billion, and then Musk bought about 25 million in stocks.
I think having $2 billion that they didn't have yesterday is certainly good news as far as it goes. Tesla has a working capital deficit of about 1.7 billion ending at last quarter, and we haven't seen any sign that a big sales turnaround is underway in this Q2. And Tesla's balance sheet has been a problem for a long time. This at least kicks the can down the road a little bit for them.
So if we go back and look at the monthly chart, after their last earnings call, which was minus 2.9 dollars per share on the earnings, they were dropping through support. So there was support around 247, and Tesla blew right past that last week. So let's just zoom in on that. So it was kind of stable before the earnings call, and then after the earnings call, it was tanking, and there was bad sales numbers. They didn't hit their expectations, and the one good thing is that they gave good guidance for next quarter. But the Tesla Q argument, which stands for Tesla bankruptcy, and it's a very popular Twitter hashtag on why Tesla is not going to succeed as a company overall. They were saying that Tesla will have a extremely difficult time raising cash, and that the cash is what's necessary to fuel the rest of their business. So if Tesla can't raise the cash, they have about 2 billion in cash, and then they needed to raise another 2 billion, and Tesla Q was saying that they wouldn't be able to do that, but eventually Musk and team were able to pull that off. So if you were watching the stock and you've looked at, these are two previous support lines, and you can see that as well, these had some support trend lines in the past. So this is clearly it's played out on the Tesla stock with these support here. But anyways, let's go back into weekly chart. So this is earnings call, it's tanking, and pretty much if they didn't announce that they raised more cash, it would have kept falling. In my opinion, it might have kept slipping. Or it might have hit because it blew through the resistance line. And so this was dangerous because it could have gone back down to lower levels around here where it found a new level of resistance. And that's what Musk knew. So in summary, once the cash raise was announced, that means that the Tesla Q theory of bankruptcy and not enough cash to operate, that's where that kind of was bunk. And you knew that the stock price was likely to go up. So on May 2nd, I bought some Tesla calls, and strike price 282, 280. And this was when the stock was at around 255. And I bought them for 0.3 and 0.35. You can see here that I sold them today, I lost a little on the first one, and then the second one I gained a little. Second point of resistance here, after it broke the initial resistance, and around here they started announcing that they were raising cash, and I bought here on the second and followed this uptrend. And the next clip that I'll show you is after Friday close. I was looking at the percent gains on Sunday. Hey, what's up, guys? NASJAQ here. Just wanted to show you that it is Sunday, May 5th. These are the numbers of my Tesla calls before Friday's, or at Friday's close. 81% and 59, really 60%. So obviously not much money. It was just one of each, but it was mostly just to show you that the percentage here is 80 and 60% is pretty phenomenal. So as you can see from that clip, and this is the main point of this, because you can see that I only bought one contract of each, and it wasn't a huge investment. They were each like $30. But the whole thing is that once the stock started popping, you were able to see significant percentage gains. And, I sold them at a bad time, mostly because I was busy at work and I wasn't really paying attention, to be completely transparent. But, it was just that easy that if you knew that, okay, it blew past resistance and now it's in a free fall, and you know that, either it's going to hit a new level of support or there's going to be a cash raise. And as soon as that cash was raised, that's what Tesla Q was saying wouldn't happen, and it happened. And that's a great reason to be bullish on the stock. Anyways, that's my little analysis. Just a quick trading review. I hope that helps, and I'm going to be coding some indicators later on this week that I'll be releasing, so stay tuned for those. Like and subscribe. Tweet me, comment, say hi. Talk to you in the next one.